Hi everyone. Today I'd like to introduce another Tamron lens to you. We've got a 35-150mm F2.8-4. This is a great lens. It came out in 2019, partway through the year, and it was designed to meet the needs of sort of social photographers, portrait photographers, giving you a whole raft of different great portrait focal lengths. 35mm obviously through 150. Even at 85 they tuned it to be spectacularly at its sharpest point. It's a really nice bit of kit. Let's just pop it off the camera, let you have a look at it. So it's nice and compact in size. If we actually compare it to the 24-70 just here, you'll see exactly how big it is. So it's pretty much the same size as a 24-70 f2.8. This is Tamron's own one. Weight wise, very similar as well. The 24-70 is actually about 900 grams. This comes in at about 810 grams. So it's really economic in terms of its weight, but it's giving you so much more than that. It's giving you a combination of both 24-70 and 70-200 f2.8, all in one nice little package. f2.8-4. So at the wide end you've got f2.8, so you can still blur out things in the background, through to 150mm at the long end, giving you f4, and that still gives you the opportunity to be able to shoot images and still have really good depth of field control in your images. Just pop it back on the camera there. So so it's a nice bit of kit. It is optically stabilized with Tamron's VC system, vibration compensation. That's CEPA tested to give you 5 stops of optical stabilization, which is a remarkable thing again. It means that you can go out and you can shoot situations in either really low light and get the benefit of being able to use a slow shutter speed because of the situation, or you can use a slow shutter speed for creative effect and still handhold the lens when you're out taking pictures. It's a really nice thing. It's also weather sealed. They've got moisture seals through all of the little joints in the lens and all of the moving parts of the lens, just so that when you're out and about it gives you that added peace of mind. So if you're going walking with it, and it is a little bit like it is today, it's a little bit damp outside, you don't have to worry about your lens. So I went out the other day, and a friend of mine had given me a heads up on a footpath that's just up the road from where I live, and he suggested that there were a few interesting things to take some pictures of along the way. We came across a skip graveyard, and that gave a really good point of interest. A little bit further up the road, as I'm walking along, there's a kind of disused digger, which gave me an interesting backdrop again. But all of this is kind of mixing in with nature as well. So you've got things intertwining and growing over the digger and what have you, which makes it a really nice nice situation. Also, the lens itself has got, if you're out in an early morning like I am, the lens has got a fluorine coating on the front element, and the Tamron BBAR coating. The fluorine coating means that moisture will just drop off of it. It's really good. It makes it really hard for things to attract themselves to it, and it's very easy to clean. The BBAR coating means that you can shoot straight into direct sunlight, and it helps to minimise any flare that's going through the lens itself. It's great being able to shoot into direct sunlight and not get the kind of circular rings as you go. Also, the lens, I mean, it's just a real joy to use. Just having one lens to put on your camera and walk around with, I found really useful. And then as I was going along, walking down the footpath, we did eventually bump into the classic cars that I was looking to find. That gave me an opportunity as well to show not only how good the lens is shooting kind of wide angle shots or standard telephoto shots, but also to explore the close focus capability. Focuses down 45 centimetre, both at the wide angle end but also the telephoto end. So it's really nice being able to use the lens in so many different ways to get up close to it, up close to things, and to use one lens in a variety of different ways. So have a look out for it. It's available from all good retailers in the UK. It's a really nice lens if you've got full frame Canon or Nikon cameras, and if you want something that's going to give you a nice fast aperture but all in one lens, taking you from wide angle through to telephoto, I think it would be a really great choice for you. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Click on the subscribe button on your YouTube channel, and also if you'd like to join us on Facebook with Tamron Lenses UK, and you'll find us there. Come and join us.